What you are about to see is 100% real. Only the rocket noises and rocket fire were added to give the comedy view to the video. Enjoy!
Hang on, gonna floor it. Hey, Crashy, got something for you. Oh crap, I got cat bombed. Hey, Crashy, what's that smell? Are you cooking Chinese food? Man, some people got all the nerve. Oh, that burning cat smells nasty. Huh, now that you mention it, it does kind of smell like Chinese. China buffet, here we come. Hey, I'm just clapping because it's over.
Check out these links on how I made a sail or a pontoon stabilizer for your canoe, boat, or kayak. It's quick, easy, and super cheap, and most anyone can do it. Thanks for watching.